Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the DeepSeek AI. So if you're interested and you're a beginner to DeepSeek AI and you want to be able to know how it works, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually, I would recommend to you to create your account firstly, obviously, before you can actually use it. And to be able to create your account, the absolute easiest way is to, if you have a mobile phone, is to just actually get their app and then create your account through a Google account. So if you can link your Google account to DeepSeek, it's just going to be a much more smoother process to create your account. I created my DeepSeek account through my Google account, and it took literally like seconds. So when you come to the the login page of DeepSeek, just click where it says sign in with Google, and then you will be able to log in with your Google account, with your Gmail email, basically, if that makes sense. And then after that, what will happen is that you will be able to create your account really quickly, just within seconds. At least for me, it was very quick. And then you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now, the first thing you can do in here, it works very similar, in my opinion at least, it works very similar to ChatGPT. You need to basically write what you want to be able to ask in here, and then DeepSeek will actually give us an answer. So for example, what's the biggest country in the world? Let's try this one firstly. So let's see, what's the biggest country in the world? And as you can see, the biggest country in the world by land area is Russia, which is true. And they give us like exactly what, like a bit more information. And you can always ask them to go even more deeper into this, give more information as an example. So let's see what it's going to give us. Yeah, and as you can see, it works really good, and it's very similar in my opinion to ChatGPT, but it can actually even be faster sometimes than ChatGPT, at least from my experience. And as you can see, it gives us really good information right here, maybe even better than any other AI out there as of right now. I have actually compared it, but I haven't gotten into like that deep into the comparison right now, at least. So hopefully after a while I will have much more information about this. But as like my experience right now with DeepSeek, at least when I record this one, is that their mobile app works great. Their web version right now seems to be a bit slower right now. I think they have some like problems right now with their web like version, at least for me. So I just use their app and I think it works great. So as you can see, it gives us a lot of great information in here. So if you've used at least ChatGPT a bit before, you can it will be very easy for you to use this one as well. To be honest, it's very similar. And when you come to this page right here, also as you can see, you will be able to see like two lines in the top left corner. So if you click on the two lines and then click on your name in the bottom left corner, you will also be taken straight to this page. In here, if you want to, you can click on app language or color scheme, as you can see, so you can actually have your app be light. I don't really like that at all. But yeah, you can see that you can actually change this like things right here as well. So if you want to, you can change the app language and also the color scheme for the app itself. And if you want to, obviously you can click where it says delete all chats. It's almost all the way down below. As you can see, it says delete all chats or delete your account, which is also possible, just so you know. But basically, this is exactly how to use the DeepSeek AI.